Hi students, today we'll see the topic grammar topic adjectives. Adjectives is which is related to the noun. The last class we saw about noun, right? Which is related to the noun itself, which means an adjectives is the word that describes a noun. Okay, it describes a noun or a pronoun. See these three words: a shining moon, twinkling stars, glittering water. Here, moon, stars, waters, and all nouns. On the left side, shining, twinkling, glittering, all describing the noun. Describing the noun. So, these words are called as adjectives. So, describing words are called as adjectives. How to describe it? Okay, what are the things you have to describe as color, opinion, size, age, shape, origin, material, distance, temperature, and time. Adjectives are also ask the questions like what kind. It tells what kind, which one, how many, and how much. We will see the types of adjectives now. Types of adjectives. Today we are going to see 6 types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. We can also say like qualitative adjective or descriptive adjective. Second, adjective of quantity. We can say like quantitative adjective. Then third one, adjective of number. Then demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. We will see the 6 types now. Qualitative or descriptive adjectives. It helps to describe the quality of a person or thing. For example, its size. Generally, descriptions like a physical descriptions like age, shape, color, material, origin, and other purpose. Example, we can tell a person the tall girl is my classmate. Is tall is the adjective here because it's describing the height of the person. Then the student achieved excellent results. Then quantitative adjectives. This adjective is indicate the number or amount of things like some, much, little, enough, okay, many, any, and everything. For example, we can tell like no milk, more milk, enough milk. Okay, so this is called as quantitative adjectives when we tell about the quantity of the thing. The next one, demonstrative adjective. It's very easy adjective to point out the nouns. Okay, when you're point outing some nouns, we are using the words this, that, these, those. When you are pointing the singular nouns, we can tell like this is, that is. Okay, when you are pointing out the plural, these and those. Okay, this is called as demonstrative adjectives. Then interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is used with noun to ask questions. When you're asking questions like what, whose, where, why, how, and which. When you are asking something about noun, whose pen is this? Here I'm asking about pen. Whose pen? So when you are asking questions for the nouns, they are called interrogative adjectives. The next one, possessive adjectives. It shows the ownership, the possession. Like my, your, is, her, their, its. When you are showing the ownership of the noun, that is called possessive adjective. Here, this is her hat. These are my shoes. Okay, here my, her, their, These words are called as possessive adjectives because it shows the ownership. The last one, adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number tell us how many things. It tells us the exact number of the noun. For example, 1, 2, 3, or first, second, and third. It both will be useful for the number like ordinal and cardinal. For example, see the picture. Here there are two benches. Two. When you are telling the exact number is called as adjective of number. When you are telling like first bench and second bench, it also a adjective of number. Okay, these are the 6 types of adjectives. Now try to answer these questions. Identify the adjectives in each following.